Hello everybody! Here I will show you how to use Jotform PDF Editor. If you've ever found yourself feeling overwhelmed by the task of creating and editing PDFs, you're not alone. Many people face the challenge of organizing information in a neat and presentable format. Fortunately, Jotform's PDF Editor is a powerful, user-friendly tool that simplifies this process, making it more efficient and less daunting. Whether you're a business owner, an educator, or someone who simply needs to keep things organized, this guide from PMN Online is here to help you navigate through the process with ease. First things first, let's get started by visiting Jotform's homepage. Open your browser and type www.jotform.com into the address bar. As you land on the homepage, you'll be greeted by a sleek and intuitive interface specifically designed to make online form building and editing as straightforward as possible. Here at PMN Online, we love how easy it is to navigate. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the Login button. If this is your maiden voyage with Jotform, you might need to create an account. But don't worry, signing up is simple and secure. You can use your Google account or any other platform you have linked to make the process faster and safer. This also ensures that you can access your forms without any hassle. After logging in, you'll be directed to the My Forms page. This page neatly organizes all your forms, making it a breeze to find the one you want to edit. If you happen to have a long list of forms, don't sweat it. Use the search feature to swiftly locate the specific form you're interested in. It's a real time saver. Now, on to the exciting part, editing your PDF. Locate the form you wish to edit and click on the More button, situated to the right of your form. Among the options that appear, you'll see one that reads Open PDF Editor. Click on it and the editor will launch, ready for you to start customizing your document. Once you have the PDF editor open, you'll notice a menu on the left-hand side filled with various options. Let's dive into the basic elements first. Clicking on this will reveal a variety of elements you can add to your PDF, such as text, images, and even shapes. This is where you can let your creativity shine and make your document truly unique. Simply drag and drop any element you wish to add onto your PDF. It's as easy as that. When you click on Form fields, you'll see options tailored to interactive form elements, like text fields, checkboxes, and drop-down menus. These are particularly useful if you're creating forms that require responses or data entry from others. Again, it's as straightforward as dragging and dropping the field you want to include in your document. Remember that the goal is to make your information clear and accessible. Pay close attention to the layout and ensure that your document is not only visually appealing, but also practical. For instance, if you're adding form fields, make sure they're adequately spaced and logically ordered to facilitate a smooth flow of information. Additionally, consider the overall design. Jotform's PDF editor allows you to customize the look and feel of your document to match your brand or personal style. Look for the color palette to adjust colors, and don't forget to experiment with different fonts and sizes for any text elements you've added. By doing so, you can ensure your document reflects your unique style or brand identity. One of the greatest features of Jotform's PDF editor is its versatility. Whether you're working on a registration form, a survey, or even compiling a report, the editor has the tools and features to accommodate a wide range of needs. This flexibility is what makes Jotform an invaluable tool in document creation. Finally, once you're satisfied with your newly edited PDF, it's crucial to save your changes. Jotform automatically saves your work as you go, but it's always a good idea to double-check. Look for the Save button to ensure your modifications are securely stored. Remember, learning any new software takes a bit of practice. Don't be discouraged if it takes a couple of tries to get everything just right. The more you use Jotform's PDF editor, the more intuitive it becomes. Plus, with this guide from PMN Online, you're well on your way to mastering the art of PDF creation and editing. In conclusion, Jotform's PDF editor is an incredible tool that simplifies the process of creating and editing PDFs. By following the steps we've covered today, you'll find that what once seemed complicated is now easily within your grasp. Whether for business, education, or personal projects, this tool is designed to make your life easier and your documents more professional. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to use Jotform PDF Editor. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to our channel PMN Online.